Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix a yellow screen on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now there are essentially three things that can cause the screen to go yellow. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, we're going to swipe across and tap on settings. So I'm going to tap on settings here, and in here we're going to go down and we will try solution number 1 first. So we're going to tap on display and brightness. Okay, so in here we go down and tap on night shift, and it is most likely this will cause your screen to go yellow. So in here you want to turn off schedule, okay, and you want to turn off manually enable into tomorrow. So make sure this two is switch off. Another thing that you can do is, if this is switched on, you can manually change the color temperature by dragging on the slider bar all the way to your left. Once you drag it all the way to the left, the screen will be cooler and it will show a cooler white color. So as we drag the slider bar more to the right hand side, the screen will become more yellower. Okay, so that is the first thing that you could try. Next, we're going to try a second solution, and I'm going to go back to the settings page. And again, in settings, you can go down and so tap on True Tone. So sometimes True Tones can cause the screen to go yellow. Now, as you can see, if I turn off True Tone, you should see the screen will go a little bit more whiter. So I don't know if you can see it through the camera right here, but if I turn it off, you should see the screen will go a bit more brighter, more whiter, and more bluer. Okay, so I'm going to go back into night shift and switch it off up here, and now you can see it's definitely a lot whiter. Okay, so try to turn off True Tone or switch it on. True Tone basically allow your phone to automatically adjust the color based on the lighting environment that you are in. Okay, so I'm going to go back here at the top, back into settings, and we now go to solution number 3. Okay, so solution number 3 is to go down and tap on accessibility. In the accessibility page, we're going to go down and tap on displayed and text size. Then we go down and tap on color filters, and then make sure that color filter is switched off. If it is switched on, sometimes it can turn on the blue or yellow filter, and this will basically allow the phone to increase or decrease the intensities of the screen color. So make sure that you turn it off. Okay, so you can see here also color tint sometimes can cause the screen to go yellow or white. So depending on what option has been selected in here, it can cause the screen to turn into a different color. So here you got grayscale, green, red and green filter. Then you got a green and red filter, blue or yellow filter. And you can also change the intensity down here. Okay, so I have choose color tint, and you can see there is intensity and the hue settings below the intensity settings. And that's it. So make sure it is switch off to turn off color filters. And that's it. Those are the 3 different solutions that you can try to fix a yellow screen on your iPhone 13 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.